Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete structured video courses that take absolute beginners all the way to fluency, covering HSK levels 1 to 6. Today we'll look at another common mistake in Chinese, and that is adding ma to sentences when you shouldn't. Take a look at this English sentence. Did he come? How would you say did he come in Chinese? In Lesson 3 of our Chinese Zero to Hero HSK1 video course in Grammar 1.3.3, we learned that we can use ma to ask a yes or no question. First, we change the question to he came, right? And then we translate right as ma. 他来了吗? 他来了吗? Or more colloquially, we can use the intonation 他来了? Using intonation to ask questions is tricky. Make sure you say 来了 in a high pitch. Don't just raise l. Don't just say 他来了, 他来了. Raise both 来 and l. 他来了, 他来了, like that. Or simply use ma. It's easier that way. Let's try another one. You got up, right? How would you say this in Chinese? You got up, right? 你起床了吗? 很好. Or use intonation. Make sure that 床 and了 both rise. 你起床了? 你起床了? Or simply use ma. 你起床了吗? Now, how about this? What time do you go to sleep? What time do you go to sleep? How do you say this in Chinese? Some students would say, 你几点睡觉吗? Now, is this correct? Think about this. What does ma stand for? Yes, ma stands for 对不对, or is that right? So, 你几点睡觉吗 would mean, what time do you go to sleep, right? It's like, what do you mean, right? What time do you go to sleep, right? That's unclear. It's unclear what you're asking for. So, ma here is adding a lot of confusion. So, 你几点睡觉吗 would be wrong. Now, how do we fix this? Well, just get rid of ma, right? It's easy. But some would say, how do you know this is a question? There's no rise at the end, and there's no ma. How do you know this is a question? Well, think about this. What's the question word in the sentence? Yes, it's 几点, what time, right? 几点. So there's a question word, right? So by default, this sentence is a question. Even if I take away the question mark, the sentence is still a question. So 你几点睡觉 is the proper way of saying what time do you go to sleep. 你几点睡觉, plain and simple. Now let's try another one. Who is he? How do you say who is he? Did you say 他是谁吗? No, don't say this. This is wrong. This is not a yes or no question, right? You're not asking, is he John or is he Ken? Right? You're asking, who is he? This is not a yes or no question. So don't use ma here. Just say 他是谁? 他是谁? Plain and simple. Now try this. Where is the bathroom? How do you say, where is the bathroom? Did you say 洗手间在哪里吗? Again, no, don't say this. Just say 洗手间在哪里? 洗手间在哪里? This is not a yes or no question, so don't add ma to the sentence. 洗手间在哪里? That's it. How about this? How will you come tomorrow? Did you say 你明天怎么来吗? Again, don't say this. Okay? This is not a yes or no question. It's a how question, right? How will you come tomorrow? 你明天怎么来? That's it, right? 你明天怎么来? Just get rid of the ma, because this is not a yes or no question. Just remember, whenever your answer is not a yes or no, don't add ma. Just get rid of it. The sentence is still a question. 你明天怎么来? Plain and simple. So that's it. Adding ma to questions when you shouldn't. That's our common mistake number 3. Now, is this the first time that this grammar point is explained to you clearly? Do you wonder if there are other grammar points like this that you have missed? If we consider the HSK, which is the official Chinese proficiency test, ma is an HSK level 1 grammar point, which means it's one of the first things you learn. So if you have problems with ma and it's not addressed properly, it can affect your later progress with speaking, listening, and reading comprehension. As an HSK 1 grammar point, ma is explained in detail in our HSK 1 video course, in Lesson 3 in particular, and there are 15 lesson units in total. So why not take our HSK 1 video course, which teaches you all grammar points, vocabulary, and communicative functions in HSK 1. You will build a solid foundation for future progress. The course includes 74 videos as well as flashcards and PDF downloads, all for just $25. Just like a school, we use a textbook in the course. The book we use is HSK Standard Course 1 by Jiang Liping. To follow this course, you need to purchase the book on your own separately from a bookstore. To learn more, you can click on the square button to view all of our courses, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. All courses have the first unit available for free as preview. And as always, once you buy a course, you own it forever. You do not have to ever pay a subscription fee again. So click the button and check them out.